Hello everyone, this is Maria Bicolana. Yes, hello. I am in Kerry Nature Park. Yes, guys, yeah. And so beautiful here, guys. I'll show you. So many trees. And also we have a, what do you call that? They have a beautiful function, those kind of I don't know if you have to rented it out, that kind of like a gazebo, yeah. And they have a table here, picnic table where you can bring your lunch, yes. And also they have our, here I'll show you where you can bring ihaw if you want ihaw, yeah. Here, guys, if you want ihaw, yeah, ihaw guys, yeah, so nice. Yes, natabingi ang aking camera, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna take you here. They have big trees, yeah, look at that big trees. Yes, it's so nice here because they have a picnic table. In the weekend, people come here and, look at that big huge trees. Yeah, they have a picnic here, yeah. Big trees. And they have a playground for the kids, yeah. Yes, guys. So beautiful. Yeah. And they even have a bench. Yeah. Look at that bench. Yes. This is donated. Yeah. Some donated it. Yeah. And look at, guys, they have a little pond here. Little pond. Actually, the geese are there. Let's go see the geese. Yeah. They are did you see the geese? Yeah, there's more picnic table there. So nice in here, guys, yeah. And all these trees here. What I like here is the trees. Yes, all the old trees, yes. Old trees, that's what I like, yeah. That's what I like, the old trees. And also, they have a little pond there. Can you see the pond? Yeah. Can you see the geese, guys? Yeah. Some people, they come down here and have a lunch, That's what I like where I live, guys. There's so many, what do you call that? So many, like park where people can, come and, you know, there's some people coming, yeah. Look at that, how beautiful it is, guys. Yeah. Those our table, we picked the one with what do you call that? We picked the one with the sun, and I'm gonna go walk down there, guys, with the geese. With you guys, yeah. I want you to see the geese. See? Look at the little pond. Yeah. And so many picnic table here, guys. Yeah. Did you see the little geese? You know they go to the pond and drink there. See? Did you see the little geese? See, guys? Did you see? There's so many poop here. Yeah. Geese poop. Yeah. Here, guys, I'm gonna take you to the pond. We're gonna go to the pond. See? See the pond? This is a playground, guys, for the kids. Playground. Here, there's a little pond here. See? See the water, guys? That's for the ducks. Those pond. Yeah. These are Kerry Wood Nature. The name. Yeah. With this pond. Yes. We're just gonna continue on and walk, guys. Yes. And of course they have a garbage here. That's the good part. Yes. See, guys, the pond. Yeah, beautiful here. And I'm gonna sit down in the bench. Yeah. Gonna sit down in the bench. Yeah. Hi, guys. The sun is really sunny. I'm gonna walk here to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you for watching Maria Bicolana. I hope you enjoy my Kerry Wood Nature Walk. Thank you for watching Maria Bicolana. Bye.